Recording. Is this metal? Yes.
We're getting coffee. Yeah, I forgot this one. Peace coffee. Cheers. Oh, look at mine. Look at yours. Oh, it's soft. Cheers. It's actually like cream cheese frosting. I feel like their carrot cakes are really mild, like with sweetness, versus in the US, it's like, should we go for the sandwich? Kind of, it's intimidating. The bread looks really good too. Okay. The bread. The bread is really good. It's really good. You have to try it. Oh my god, that's yummy.
I think it's garlic. Garlic?
This is the BLT.
That one's better.
Okay, I'm gonna try the BLT now.
I'll go for this right here. This one's so good. The bread on this one makes it worth. I think we're gonna get another one of these. Just look at that. It's fire. Having a pretty relaxing morning. Found some cute bags. that we're gonna think about as we find a bathroom. Yeah, it's not too busy. It rained a little, but it's been pretty nice. Can't complain. Oh, this is another vintage store. We might have to go here. Real quick. Yay!
What's the point of the nice view? Oh, it's right here, right?
Hello.
Do you want to?
Sounds very refreshing. We gotta get to the middle. Good? Well, it sounds so light. What's this? What is this? It's like jelly. Like, there's like mochi something right here. Yeah, in there. Andre, did you get the like mochi thing in there?
I did.
Oh.
That one's really.
Trying the toast. Oh, it's so soft. Oh my god. It's very hot. I'm gonna take a little bean. I'm gonna try it with the salt now. Salt. Wow, it's so good with the bean. I want to smell it.
Yeah, there's something else. That's not.
It smells like wood.
It's like smoky miso.
Cheers. Mm. It's like a red miso, but it's good. It's very good. I got a little tofu. They do like the silken tofu. This was very delicious. I think that the Azuki was my favorite just because of the mochi stuff, and then strawberry, and then the matcha. The French toast, definitely get the French toast. What about the soup? Do you think people should get the soup?
I think you could skip on the scoop. You can skip it.
Skip on the soup?
I would say
You're number 1, 2, and 3.
matcha, Azuki, and then strawberry.
In the beginning, the first bite, it was matcha, strawberry, Azuki. Then as it melted and you got to the inside, it became Azuki, matcha, strawberry.
Well, there you go. Now you know. Also, if you're in PST, you gotta wake up at 4 a.m. to book it. FYI. So just take any time that you can get when you book. Our friends are coming at 5, so we split our groups, but it's definitely doable, and we think you should come. Do it. We're gonna go to Tokyo Hands and look for more Smiskis. Temperature's not that cold, but the gusts are freezing. If you can hear me. Alrighty, Tokyo Hands, here we are. 5th floor for Smiskis, and we'll see what else they got. Here we go. Let's see, we're on the 5th floor. They have Sunny Angels for anyone who's into Sunny Angels. Wow. Who wants one? America. Here they are. Sunny Angels, you can only have one per customer. Look at this one. They have a little dog version. Flower. I'll let you pick them since you have the lucky hand. You are middle. All right. Go, sir. He's the lucky one, so he's gonna open his hipper.
Hipper. Caked up one.
Caked up.
Caked up. Not caked up.
Wow.
It's all about perspective.
Did you try to go for the same one I wanted?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna try to go for the same one. How'd you do that? Squish for good luck, says Min. I don't think it is. It's the same one. It's the same one. 20s.
Secret.
It's the yoga shoes.
Hello. We're reporting live at Azuki Kouri, and we're gonna interview the customers.
Yeah, we got 3 ice.
Okay, tell us all 3 in the order that you liked it the most.
Okay.
And it's collected, by the way. We already know.
yeah.
We already ranked them together.
My
Yeah, I
goal
know.
speak for us.
Oh, you guys all agree?
Yep.
We all agreed.
Unanimous.
We all
Unanimous.
agreed.
Okay, so tell us the 3 that you ordered.
So the 3 that we ordered was the Azuki and meringue, the matcha and orange, and then the sweet potato.
Oh, we know already.
For number 1?
Azuki. The meringue's
I don't know.
fire.
The
And
Azuki
what's the
beans
thing
were
that-
so good too.
Oh, the jelly
Jelly mochi.
The jelly-
Yeah.
Jelly mochi. The jelly
Us
mochi.
two, the jelly shit is
Yeah.
what made
That
it
was good.
great.
We didn't even know about the mochi stuff.
Alright, y'all
Yeah.
Second
1,
bet,
2, 3.
3.
Sweet potato.
Oh, we gotta go. We gotta go back. Stand in line. Stand in line.
I think,
potato?
yeah, the bits
Yeah.
of sweet potato.
Inside,
that's
and there was
very nice.
jelly. I don't know what it was.
Jelly?
There's a sweet potato, but it's not just like sweet potato. They did something to it
Yeah.
with jelly.
The potato was like
I
warm
can't
and
tell you what they did with it.
comforting and
Yeah.
very
Well, they wouldn't have
Very good.
ordered the sweet potato without us telling them that.
Last place
Was
was
the
Why
matcha.
can't
The
you just let
matcha
us
is
have
really
this,
the
Roderick?
matcha was really good, but I think it didn't like mesh well together. I think it felt like separate.
I like that.
But the
Pretty overpowering.
yeah.
You guys get matcha?
But the orange is really good. I loved it.
Oh, we're not done yet.
Oh.
Hold on. The matcha one just tastes like Uliani's, which is good, but relative to the other two.
Did you get the French toast?
Okay.
So we got both of the French toast. We got both. Because we were like, when are we ever going to come back?
Never.
So
Yes.
we said, big back it.
What's your rating?
Burnt orange.
No, it's burnt lemon.
Burnt lemon. I give it 8.7.
Yeah, 8.5. 8.9.
9.
9.
I'd give it a 9, and I would come back. Would
back.
you say that we would come back?
That's so worth it.
But we do have to wake up at 2 in the morning again.
Is it worth the 2 in the morning wake up
Yeah,
call?
it was. It's fun.
Okay.
It's fun.
Wake up,
It's fun.
wake up and go.
I'll wake my ass up next time
up and
again.
go.
No, but imagine all of us at one bar next time.
Yeah.
Rowdy, we'll just like take one bite, slide it down.
Yeah,
take
but no
one
one's
bite.
talking about the oshibori, the towel.
Oh, it was
Oh,
so
okay.
Bergamot?
big. It was nice.
Don't tell me it was a good time.
3, 2, 1.
Woo! Wait.
What
it's
the?
over.
Oh, because they're burning it.
We missed that.
Oh.
We missed that experience.
It's like on fire.
Look at the strawberry one.
Well, I like the
That's the one you guys didn't get.
I
We were
want
thinking about getting the strawberry.